Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to make a flower painting. So for that we will do the base. Now I'll show you how we have to make the base. I have taken this teal blue color and lemon yellow color. I'll take a brush and load it properly and move my hand from left to right. We can take a bigger brush also. Better to take flat brush, but if you don't have flat brush, you can take any brush. This is just a base coat. On the top of it, lots of things will come. Now we'll use the lemon yellow color.
Namaste, welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to learn how to make the waves in the water, rather ripples in the water, and a tree coming out from the edge of the water with the flowers. So, shall we start? So material needed is Fevicryls, brown color, pearl blue, this is also Fevicryls, black color of any brand, deep yellow, I have Umi Strongs, then Fevicryls pink color, Fabio's white, Fevicryls green, then we have Liquitex Cerulean blue cube. This is Aquamarine of Fabio. This is Crawford and Black Acrylic Paint Company's Ultramarine. This is Camlin's Permanent Blue. This is Camlin's Cobalt Blue. And this is again Daler&Rowney's Corallium Blue. Now what we have to do? We have to have water. We have to have brushes. One thick brush. This is number 8. This is a soft brush. Number 5. This is 00 and this is also 00. Oh. Next step, I have taken out colors like this. White color at 5 places. This is black. This is aquamarine, this is pearl blue, light blue, yellow, golden yellow. I think now you can see golden yellow. This is acrylic, ultramarine. This is this one color, children, cerulean blue cube. Then again I have mixed these two and made this one. Okay, so we have these colors. So these are the brushes we are going to use. We'll use a rug or the waste cloth I have this knife to take out the paints, painting knife. Here we have black color. Here I have light blue and white. This is yellow and white. This is aquamarine and white. This is cerulean blue and white. Here we have cobalt blue and white. This is pearl blue and this is our blue, what iridescent they call it, but in simple words we can call it aquamarine. Okay, so this is the preparation we have to do. Now we'll start working. So I'll keep all the paints on one side. Right now I'm taking the paints only for water, and then slowly when our water will be ready, then we will take out the paints for other things. Now mixing of colors is very, very important, children. So first mixing of color is white with, we will need lots of white, children. Okay, so I keep white here. Small bottle, as you know, I always keep. I'll dab my brush, and here with the yellow I have made a light yellow, very light yellow. Mix it properly. Okay, as usual, when we use one brush, we wash it and we dry it. We have this cerulean blue, this darkest one, and in this what we'll do, we will take little bit of this and mix some black in it. So here I have taken some paint, and one drop of black I am mixing, so it will become more dark. It's almost like grey color, you can see. So I am adding little white. I have already mixed water in white and made it dilute. So this is white and ultramarine. So here we have white and ultramarine. Let's start. So my suggestion is to put a tablecloth like this or newspaper below your paper, so that, or your canvas, so that you don't have to dirty your table. Now we will start with this end. Now we are going to make waves. So for that I have used this white color, 1 drop of white color and 1 teaspoon of water. So again listen the ratio, 1 drop of white color and 1 teaspoon of water. That should be the ratio. So we'll draw everywhere. I'm using pearl blue also. So overall, we have 4-5 shades for our waves. Now I'm taking this flat brush and I'm moving it in this way. Very lightly, very lightly. This is dry flat brush. So your waves are visible, but they are all together.
with this, our water painting is complete. If we want, we can make a boat in it, we can make a tree, we can make flowers, we can add lots of things. But my aim was to teach you how to make water in a pond or lake. So I hope I got success in it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video. Please follow Vandana's Art on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube for more videos. Thank you. Namaste.